once you remove all the screws, you can pop up this water molding, the wheel well. This one you have to be careful, but and then you have to remove this plug-in, and then there's even ready is broken already, because the way they built it is not really that strong. So I guess you have to just glue it after when you're ready to put it back together. And there you go, you can pop up the whole bumper after that. And this is the passenger
This
side.
should always pop up. I did
try
that.
really careful
cautious
taking off this molding, but still
hard as I can, but still popping up, eh?
So
now I have to glue
just
this
have to glue it back.
whole thing.
That's all I can say about this molding. And then the bottom, I forgot to remove those T15. It's total of 4 at the bottom. And then there you go. That's how you remove your rear bumper of your 2022 Buick Envision. By the way, once you remove the whole bumper, there's 2 plugins that you have to remove on each side. Okay? Yeah, that's it. That's how you remove your rear bumper Buick Envision 2022.